Want Fireflies AI to automatically record and transcribe your meetings. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to set everything up, invite the Fireflies meeting assistant, and access your meeting transcripts afterward. So yeah, let's get started. First, open Fireflies AI and sign into your account. If you don't have one yet, create a free account using your Google account, Microsoft account, or your email address. Once you sign in, you'll arrive on the main dashboard. Next, open the Settings menu and find Calendar and Conferencing. Connect your Google Calendar or Outlook calendar by following the authorization steps. Once connected, Fireflies can automatically detect supported meetings and join them as your AI meeting assistant. This only takes a minute. When your scheduled meeting begins, Fireflies can automatically join supported platforms like Google Meet, Zoom, or Microsoft Teams if automatic recording is enabled. If needed, you can also invite the Fireflies meeting assistant manually by adding its meeting email to the invitation before the meeting starts. After your meeting ends, Fireflies will process the recording automatically. Once it's ready, open the meeting from your dashboard to view the full transcript, AI-generated summary, speaker labels, timestamps, and action items. Everything is organized in one place, making it much easier to review important conversations. If you'd like, you can share the meeting with teammates using the share option. Depending on your plan, you may also have options to download the transcript or copy important notes for future reference. It's pretty simple to keep everyone on the same page. And that's how you can record meetings with Fireflies AI in 2026. Hopefully, this walkthrough made the setup nice and easy. If you found it helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.